You may choose to scroll past this video, and that's okay. But if you're still here, take a moment, just 18 seconds. My child, you are deeply loved. You are not forgotten. You were created in God's own image, with purpose and value. Do you believe that Jesus Christ has the power to change your situation? To bring peace where there is chaos, strength where there is weakness, and victory where there seems to be no way? If you place your trust in Him, He renews the weary, opens doors, and brings unexpected blessings. This week, we choose faith over fear, hope over doubt, and grace over worry. No matter the challenges ahead, we will walk through them with love, courage, and trust in the Lord's mercy. His love will fill our hearts and guide our steps. If this message speaks to you, share it with someone you care about. Be a light. Spread hope. Share the love of Christ. Good news and blessings are on the way. May God bless you and your household.